If you have clicked on this video, we already know that you're a smart individual who is into an even smarter car. Every other person can talk about Tesla, but only you will be able to talk about it like you truly know what's up. Stick around to discover the slick new updates Tesla has rolled out. Tesla Motors is known for continually rolling out firmware updates to its electric cars. Just like a phone with its software updates, something that is very unique to the Tesla brand name. What could be better than owning a car that can be literally updated with the passage of time? What a time to be alive! The futuristic cars that receive these updates include the Tesla Model 3, Model S, and X, and probably even the Semi and upcoming Roadster. There is a test of new features typically on a smaller set of vehicles first, including the ever-so-gracious Elon Musk's own car, to ensure the accuracy of an update before it is airdropped to all of the other Tesla owners. No doubt it must feel like a gift sent early for a birthday. Now, when your Tesla's autopilot is updated, depends on your patch cycle. Each Tesla typically has a 30 to 60 day patch cycle, which means that you may not get every single update. This ensures that the electric vehicle fleet is relatively diverse and not prone to single bug failures. Fun fact: did you know that there's an inbuilt celebration mode in Tesla? Do check out Jeremy Clarkson's checking out this feature on Top Gear. When we talk about firmware updates, we don't mean little changes that just enhance the car's features, because Elon always likes to build momentum around whatever he is up to with his new updates. Before we get into what's next to come in the latest version 11, let's talk about some of the features of the most recent update Elon Musk graced us with. The boombox feature turns your car into a literal boombox and totally customizes the way your horn sounds, much to the annoyance of non-Tesla drivers. Instead of a normal horn sound, boombox mode allows drivers to play a fart sound or ice cream truck music as they alert those around them to their very rich presence. Pretty neat. Then, as Elon already knew car updates don't always have to be just about the tech, he decided to throw in some fun little games such as Solitaire, Cat Quest, the Battle of Polytopia. Now, of course, there was a very obvious update right at the center of the dashboard, and that was of a very high-resolution updated screen that shows you your very own car in much realistic quality. The coolest thing is the fact that it shows real-time actions, such as when you open the door in real life. It shows it on the screen. A little animated car with the door open. It is definitely one to have fun with. But these are all the 2020 version updates that we already knew about. Where's the long-awaited version 11? Chances are it will be revealed soon, but here's all we know. Might be a part of the new firmware update. Version 11 could be here sooner, but there is this one very valid reason for its delay. The reason is most commonly assumed to be the full self-driving feature that Elon has promised to deliver. However, at the same time, he has revealed that it will be a strictly subscription-based option, and its beta auto steer tester is already out that is available to limited Tesla owners. This mega update to expect is a hugely awesome gift for the Tesla owners, who did not have the means to afford the autopilot feature worth $10,000 at the time they bought their car. Elon wants his Tesla drivers to be fully ready for a strictly self-driving mode that he has revealed to be the norm this very year, as he expects full autonomy. The future surely seems to be here. Fun fact: did you know that a Tesla car cannot be bought in a store? That's because it has to be custom made on orders, and you can get it delivered straight to your door. This is because Elon has also revealed that he truly believes in about 10 years, about 70 to 80% of cars on the road will have full autonomous capabilities. So it seems that version 11's biggest wow factor will most definitely be the fully expanded implementation of a fully autonomous auto steer feature, which will obviously come with a more realistically high-resolution street view. This will, however, be only available for Tesla owners who already have the self-driving option installed in their Tesla. But at the same time, this talk of the subscription option paves the way to allow way more Tesla drivers to experience this amazingly futuristic option for about a month, so you can give it a try before you move on to a full upgrade. More features the Tesla owners expect that Elon will surprise them with is the simple navigation points option. Come on, it's much easier to point at the screen where you want to make a stop rather than telling the car where to stop, which can be pretty confusing. Another thing that can be pretty cool if added is the bird's eye view, which allows the driver to observe the car from a top-down 360-degree view, which can make it a whole lot easier to navigate. All of these are what we hope to have. But there is one feature that is coming for sure. However, we aren't so sure if it will come sooner. The Tesla App Store. With the ever-increasing Tesla owners, it only makes sense that Tesla develops its very own App Store that would allow companies to create downloadable features for Tesla. Till now, Tesla has been using already existing software and copying their style, which makes it very similar to what you see on your phone. But with the lack of full functionality, there is an awkward disconnect with the real feel of full software. With Tesla's own app, companies could create apps specifically for Tesla, which would solve the problem, as they would cater to the compatibility of the vehicle strictly. With the progression of probably the worst period in our lives, although it is hard to expect anything good, but chances are that surprisingly great update will arrive sometime in February. What feature do you think should be included in the latest version 11 of Tesla's firmware? Let us know in the comments below. If you loved what you learned, comment down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button to stay up to date with everything about Tesla. Thanks for watching.